Did you know that by the time we reach 60, more than half of us struggle with blurry vision every single day? Reading the newspaper feels harder, menus at restaurants look foggy, and driving at night becomes stressful because of glare and sudden blurring of vision. Many seniors tell me, "I just want clear vision again so I can enjoy the little things, reading, shopping, and watching my grandkids play." If you've ever wondered, "Why is my vision blurry?" or worried about the cause of blurred vision, you are not alone. The National Eye Institute and Mayo Clinic confirm that common vision problems after 60 include cataracts, glaucoma, macular degeneration, and dry eyes. Each of these can lead to blurred eye vision or even partial vision loss in one eye if not addressed early. Some people even report blurry vision and headache or waking up with blurry vision in the morning. The good news is this: there are simple steps you can take for vision health and natural vision improvement. Today, I'm going to share 7 proven ways to reverse poor eyesight, supported by research from Mayo Clinic, Cleveland Clinic, Hopkins, and the NEI. We'll cover everything from safe vision exercises to improve eyesight, to foods that increase eye vision, and even the best vitamins for vision. Stay with me until the end, because the number 1 tip is the most powerful, and it might surprise you. But first, let's connect. How old are you, and which state are you watching from? Drop it in the comments. It only takes a second, and it helps us see how many of us are facing the same vision issues together. The real problem with aging eyes isn't just needing stronger glasses. It's the constant blurry vision that makes everyday life harder. You sit down to read your mail, and the words blur together. You wake up with blurry vision in the morning and wonder if it will clear. Sometimes it's only in one eye, blurry vision in the left eye, or sudden blurry vision in one eye, and that can be frightening. According to the National Eye Institute, common blurred vision causes after 60 include cataracts, macular degeneration, glaucoma, and even diabetes. Each of these is a reason for blurry vision that can slowly steal independence. Now let's agitate the problem. Think about driving at night with blurry eye vision and glare from headlights. Many people experience blurry vision and headache after just a short trip. For others, dry eyes are the issue, leading to irritation and the question, can dry eyes cause blurry vision? The answer is yes. Mayo Clinic explains that dry eyes, uncontrolled diabetes, or even certain medications can be the cause of blurred vision. Cleveland Clinic warns that if you have sudden blurry vision, especially sudden blurry vision one eye, it can signal something urgent, like a retinal problem or stroke. That's why they advise regular checkups, even at places like a local Pearl Vision eye exam, because early detection in vision eye care can prevent permanent eye vision loss. But here's the good news. The solution doesn't always mean surgery or expensive procedures. Hopkins and Mayo Clinic research shows that lifestyle changes, proper nutrition, and targeted habits can bring real vision improvement. You can support your eyes with foods that increase eye vision, simple vision exercises to improve eyesight, and the right vision supplements. These steps can help you learn how to fix blurry vision naturally and keep your eyes stronger for longer. For many seniors, adding vitamins for vision like lutein, zeaxanthin, or vitamin D, combined with safe daily improved vision exercises, makes a noticeable difference. It's about building a plan for better vision health, not just relying on glasses or vision insurance. Today, I'll walk you through 7 proven strategies to protect your eyes and restore more clear vision. Each step is practical, easy to follow, and backed by science. And remember, the number 1 tip at the end is the most powerful. It's the key that could change how you see every day. The first step to fight blurry vision after 60 is something simple: better lighting. Many seniors don't realize that one major cause of blurred vision indoors is poor light. As we age, the lens of the eye becomes less flexible, and the retina needs more brightness to focus. That's why you may find yourself holding a newspaper closer to a lamp, or wondering, why is my vision blurry at night but clearer during the day? The answer often comes down to light. Cleveland Clinic and the American Foundation for the Blind recommend using warm LED lights between 3000 and 4000 K. These lights reduce glare and make text sharper, helping you move toward clear vision without straining. For example, George, 68, told his doctor at a Pearl Vision eye exam that he kept getting blurry eye vision while paying bills. His optometrist suggested a brighter desk lamp. After switching, George said his eyes no longer felt tired and the blurring of vision was noticeably less. This matters because poor lighting can also lead to blurry vision and headaches. Straining to read in dim light creates tension that worsens vision issues. The fix doesn't require surgery or expensive vision correction. Sometimes just adjusting your home environment brings quick vision improvement. Think of it as an easy way to start vision care at home. So before spending hundreds on new glasses or relying only on vision insurance, try upgrading your light. A good lamp can be one of the most affordable foods for vision improvement, except it's not food, it's something even simpler, creating the right environment for your eyes to achieve clear vision optical comfort. Another common reason for blurry vision after 60 is eye strain from staring at screens. Many seniors spend hours on the computer, watching TV, or scrolling on a phone. When you focus on a close object too long, the muscles in your eyes lock into place. The result is eye strain, blurry vision, dryness, and sometimes even blurry vision and headache. Mayo Clinic explains that this is one of the most overlooked blurred vision causes in older adults. The easiest way to fix this is by using the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. While you do it, make sure to blink fully. This simple habit helps relax your eye muscles, reduce dryness, and restore sharper focus. Doctors call it one of the most effective vision exercises to improve eyesight because it breaks the cycle of fatigue. Let's put it into a real situation. Imagine you're paying bills online, and after 30 minutes, the numbers start swimming together. You look up, stare out the window at a tree branch for half a minute, blink a few times, and when you look back, the blurring of vision is less noticeable. This is how to begin improved vision exercises without any special equipment. If you often ask yourself, why is my vision blurry after screen time? This could be your answer. Practicing the 20-20-20 rule daily is one of the easiest ways to support vision health and achieve more clear vision naturally before needing new glasses or relying fully on vision insurance. One of the most powerful ways to protect your eyes is through nutrition. The National Eye Institute explains that certain nutrients directly support the retina and macula, the parts of the eye that allow you to read fine print and see details clearly. When these areas weaken, you may notice blurry vision, glare at night, or even blurry vision in one eye that doesn't go away. Vitamin A is essential for the surface of the eye. A lack of it is a well-known cause of blurred vision and even night blindness. Foods rich in vitamin A include egg yolks, liver, and cod liver oil. Many seniors who wake up with blurry vision in the morning find that improving nutrition helps restore more clear vision over time. Lutein and Zeaxanthin are two other nutrients strongly supported by Mayo Clinic and Johns Hopkins. These antioxidants protect the macula from damage and slow down vision changes linked to age. They're found in kale, spinach, pistachios, and also in egg yolks. Research shows that people who regularly eat these foods that increase eye vision are less likely to develop macular degeneration, one of the top blurred vision causes in older adults. Take the story of Mary, 72. She struggled with eye blurry vision while driving at night. Her doctor suggested adding 2 eggs a day plus leafy greens. Within months, she reported fewer problems with glare and more comfort reading. Good nutrition isn't about replacing vision insurance or skipping vision eye care exams, but it gives your eyes the foundation they need. By adding these nutrients, you're not only investing in your overall vision health, but also practicing one of the most natural ways for vision improvement. The next step for better eyesight is regular movement. Exercise doesn't just help your heart and muscles, it also supports your eyes. The Cleveland Clinic notes that walking, gardening, or even light aerobics improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to the retina. Without enough oxygen, the retina struggles, and that can be a reason for blurry vision or worsening vision problems over time. Think about it this way: when circulation slows, the eye tissues don't get what they need. That's when many people report blurring of vision, glare, or even blurry vision headache after daily activities. For some, it shows up as blurry vision in one eye, or that uncomfortable one-eye foggy vision that comes and goes. Regular exercise reduces these risks and helps maintain more clear vision as we age. Take John, 74, who noticed frequent eye blurry vision while watching TV at night. His doctor encouraged him to start daily walks with his dog. Within months, John reported fewer episodes of blurred eye vision, and his eye pressure remained stable at his next Pro Vision eye exam. This doesn't mean you need intense workouts. Simple improved vision exercises like looking at distant objects during a walk, stretching your eyes between near and far focus, and keeping your body active all support vision health. Combined with regular vision care checkups, these habits are one of the safest ways for vision improvement without relying only on glasses or expensive procedures. One of the biggest hidden threats to your eyesight is blood sugar. The National Eye Institute explains that diabetes is a leading cause of blindness in older adults. High sugar damages the tiny blood vessels in the retina, creating vision problems that start small but can lead to permanent eye vision loss. Many seniors with uncontrolled blood sugar report frequent blurry vision or sudden shifts in focus. Doctors call this blurry vision and diabetes, and it's one of the top blurred vision causes after 60. If you've ever noticed blurry vision suddenly, especially sudden blurry vision one eye, it may not just be fatigue. It could be a sign of diabetic retinopathy or swelling in the lens from high glucose. Some people even describe eye spots in vision or blurry vision headache after eating sweets. This is why Mayo Clinic stresses the importance of diet and lifestyle for protecting long-term vision health. Linda, 70, experienced eye blurry vision after meals and asked her doctor, "Why is my vision blurry every afternoon?" After tests, she was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. With support, she cut back on soda, reduced bread and pasta, and added more vegetables. Within months, her doctor noticed her eye pressure stabilized, and she reported less blurring of vision during daily reading. The good news is that managing blood sugar is one of the most effective ways for vision improvement. Healthy choices, portion control, and staying active can protect your eyes as much as any vision supplements. Controlling sugar doesn't replace regular vision eye care or Pro Vision eye exams, but it gives you the strongest foundation for long-lasting clear vision. Another way to support your eyes is through light. Researchers at Johns Hopkins and Mayo Clinic have studied how certain types of light can boost the energy inside retinal cells. Poor energy supply is a major reason for blurry vision and difficulty focusing. That's why many people past 60 complain about blurry eye vision, glare at night, or even blurry vision in one eye when reading. One option is red light therapy. Studies suggest that specific, safe wavelengths may help the mitochondria in your retina work better. While devices are available, they are not all well regulated, so many doctors recommend starting with natural sunlight instead. A simple step is to go outside in the morning or evening. Look around the sun, not directly at it, for a few minutes, and allow gentle light into your eyes. This can reset your body's rhythm, improve sleep, and support vision health. Seniors who practice this often report less eye strain and more clear vision during the day. Take Tom, 65. He noticed blurring of vision and blurry vision headache after long hours on the computer. His doctor suggested short sunrise walks. Within weeks, Tom reported fewer episodes of eye blurry vision and more comfort reading at night. While light therapy is not a substitute for vision eye care or regular Pearl Vision eye exams, it can be a safe habit to add. Combined with other lifestyle steps, it may help you how to fix blurry vision naturally and give lasting vision improvement without depending only on glasses or vision insurance. The number one step for protecting your eyesight after 60 is making sure you get enough vitamin D, always paired with magnesium. Mayo Clinic and Cleveland Clinic both highlight vitamin D as a key nutrient for reducing inflammation and protecting the retina. Low levels are linked with vision problems like macular degeneration and glaucoma, two major blurred vision causes in older adults. When vitamin D is too low, many seniors notice ongoing blurry vision, glare at night, or even episodes of sudden blurry vision in one eye. Magnesium is equally important because it helps the body use vitamin D properly. Without it, even supplements may not work as expected. Together, these nutrients are some of the most powerful vitamins for vision that support long-term eye function. Take Evelyn, 76. She struggled with eye blurry vision while reading to her grandchildren. Her optometrist recommended vitamin D and magnesium, along with a diet rich in leafy greens. Within a few months, Evelyn reported fewer problems with blurring of vision and more comfort when reading in the evening. Her doctor noted that her retina looked healthier during a follow-up Pearl Vision eye exam. For many seniors, this simple habit can feel like a breakthrough. Instead of worrying, "Why is my vision blurry?" adding vitamin D with magnesium offers one of the safest ways to achieve vision improvement. Of course, it doesn't replace regular vision care or insurance, but it's one of the most effective supplements for vision you can add right now. This is why experts often call vitamin D with magnesium the foundation of natural eye support. It's a practical step you can take today if you want lasting clear vision, fewer headaches from blurry vision, and stronger protection against long-term vision loss in one eye or both. Here's the good news. Blurry vision after 60 does not mean the end of independence. Whether it's blurry vision in one eye, glare at night, or waking up with blurry vision in the morning, there are real steps you can take. We've talked about light, daily breaks, nutrition, exercise, blood sugar, morning sun, and finally vitamin D with magnesium. Together, these habits create the foundation for lasting vision health. The National Eye Institute reminds us that age brings challenges, but it doesn't mean giving up on clear vision. Simple changes at home, combined with regular vision care and checkups like a Pearl Vision eye exam, can slow down or even reverse common vision problems. Think of these steps as your personal toolkit for vision improvement. They don't replace your doctor, but they give you control. With consistency, you can protect your eyes, reduce the cause of blurred vision, and enjoy reading, driving, and family time with confidence again. If today's video helped you understand more about blurry vision and what you can do to protect your eyes, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. That way you won't miss our next tips on vision health and how to achieve more clear vision after 60. Now I'd love to hear from you. What's your biggest challenge? Blurry vision in one eye? Glare at night? Or even blurry vision and headache after reading? Share your story in the comments. Your experience could help someone else facing the same vision problems. And remember, simple habits plus regular vision care can make a real difference.